In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Fusion 360 offline error quickly and easily. If you've opened Fusion and seen that offline message pop up, don't worry. This is a pretty common issue, and in most cases, it's very easy to fix. I'll walk you through exactly what causes it and the step-by-step methods you can use to get back online. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple Fusion 360 tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, let's quickly understand what this offline error actually means. Fusion 360 relies on Autodesk cloud services to sync your files, manage projects, and keep everything updated. When Fusion can't connect to those services, it switches into offline mode. So technically, it's not really an error. It just means something is interrupting the connection. Now let's go through the most common causes. This usually happens if your internet connection is down or unstable, if Autodesk servers are temporarily unavailable, or if your login session has expired. The good news is, all of these are easy to check. Let's start with the first fix. Check your internet connection. Open your browser and make sure websites are loading properly. If your connection is slow or cutting out, that alone can trigger the offline mode in Fusion. Try restarting your router or switching networks if needed. Next, go back online inside Fusion 360. Look at the top right corner and click on your profile icon. If you see an option that says Go Online, click it. This will attempt to reconnect Fusion to Autodesk's cloud services instantly. If that doesn't work, the next step is to sign out and sign back in. Click your profile icon again, choose Sign Out, then log back into your Autodesk account. This refreshes your session and often fixes issues caused by expired logins. Another simple but effective fix is restarting Fusion 360. Completely close the application, wait a few seconds, and then reopen it. This clears temporary glitches and forces a fresh connection to the servers. If you're still seeing the issue, you should check Autodesk server status. Sometimes the problem isn't on your end at all. If Autodesk services are down, you'll just need to wait until they're back online. You can check their status page to confirm this. Here's a quick tip you should keep in mind. Offline mode itself is not actually a problem. You can still work on your designs locally. The message only appears because Fusion can't sync with the cloud, which is usually due to network or login issues. So to recap, check your internet, try going back online, sign out and back in, restart Fusion, and check Autodesk servers if needed. One of these will almost always solve the problem, and that's it. You now know exactly how to fix the Fusion 360 offline error step by step. If this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.